OPO Stewardship Action Project, Planting Native Trees in the Ko'olau Reserve by Mahea and Hennessy. Leading question / focus. How can I reduce the impact of invasive species in my local Ahupua'a? Why did we choose this? We chose this question because we felt it was the one to best fit our research project. After going to Haleakala, we saw the damage that non-native species do to Hawaii's native ecosystems. What's the problem? Us people in Hana need to be aware of non-native plants harming our native plants / species because a lot is at stake. Over time, more and more species are becoming extinct while invasive species are growing in population. Many native species / plants are becoming extinct due to invasion of their habitat, limited food resources, harmful predators, and not enough protection. Here are some species invasive to Hawaii. Interview questions. We interviewed Allison Burrell. She is the educational coordinator of the East Maui watershed. The first question we asked was, how do you guys keep invasive species out? She responded by saying, we build fences to keep out feral-hoofed animals and decontaminate all of our gear before and after we visit natural areas. We also hike top to bottom to not spread invasive plants up from the weedy areas below by using a helicopter. The second question was, what things can anyone at home do to perpetuate native species? She said, plant native plants. Clean your gear to stop the spread of non-native species and disease. Volunteer. The next question was, what places on Maui do you guys help to perpetuate native species? And she said, 100,000 acres on the windward side of Maui from Makuau out towards Hana. Up in Haleakala, they used a long, tall fence to keep out pigs and deer from the native species. Hunting and setting up traps can also be a way of keeping invasive species out at home. Another way is cleaning off your shoes by spraying them with alcohol or brushing them off before hiking or going to another place to prevent the spread of non-native seeds and harmful plants. This is what we were doing before heading up to Haleakala, as seen in the picture on the right. Relate to biology. Our problem relates to ecology because ecology is known as the study of nature's houses, organisms that live in those houses, and interactions based on energy and nutrients. Our problem falls under the biosphere house because the biosphere includes all living organisms and the environment they live in. What we are doing is helping the species and the environments that they live in be restored to how it once was. Hawaii was once filled with many native plants that were healthy, but once invasive species were introduced to Hawaii, many problems arose. Many species were killed off by others. They also died due to lack of nutrients and food resources and climate change and disturbances. Malama Aina. The outcome of us planting native species for our stewardship project was that now there is a chance that the native plants we planted will survive and grow, and hopefully we will be able to increase the population of those species. This is definitely an ongoing project because even though they are planted, they still might need care and protection from invasive animals that will dig them up or invasive plants that will take over an area and harm them. To keep the momentum of this project going, us or someone else can just keep the same thing going where you plant native species and try to get rid or limit invasive ones. Research topic. When researching invasive species in Hawaii, they are known to be harmful in the environment, economy, and or human health. President Bill Clinton also once said that invasive species are alien species whose introduction does or is likely to cause economic or environmental harm or harm to human health. Hawaii's native species came to Hawaii without the help of humans and evolved throughout millions of years. When non-native species were beginning to be introduced, Hawaii's native species were not evolved enough to compete and coexist with those species, and the result is that the new introductions became invasive. These non-native species quickly became harmful to Hawaii because they were prevented the native species to grow, increasing the lack of erosion with the shallow root system. Many invasive species happen to be animals such as pigs, goats, deer, and monkeys. These animals also cause many problems like killing off native Hawaiian animals and making nutrients for the native species limited. For our project, we got to do hands-on work up at Haleakala, the Ko'olau Reserve, planting native Hawaiian trees to restore the native ecosystem. Along the way, we noted all of the things we learned and even got tips for planting. We also learned about the importance of perpetuating native species and caring for the land. Our lessons learned and future work During the project, I think we learned a lot about how to plant while giving them the best chance of survival. It's important to know where to plant it because you don't want to put it in a place where the pigs will come and dig it up, or the dirt or the place where the soil is dry. We also just learned more about how important these plants are to Hawaii and why we don't want to lose them. For future work, we would like to always take opportunities to help native species. There are a lot of native plants and animals that are close to extinction, so we want to do our best to help in any way possible to prevent that from happening. We also want to encourage others to help become educated on this topic and do what they can to help. This is a short video.